Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. I guess red lights are just suggestions for some people. Never learned how to take turns as a kid. Where did he come from? Zero chance I was going to just sit there. Driver really didn't want to miss that turn. How does someone end up going so fast? I think it's rare anyone executes that turn safely.
A few moments later.
No. Man?
Wrong way down a one-way spiral in parking garage. Challenger attempts to change lanes without looking. This is something I didn't expect. Traffic lights don't matter if there's no one around.
What? That's insane.
Why this idiot swerving into lanes?
I wonder how long it's going to take for us to get a reply back from Casa.
To what?
I said, I wonder how long it's going to take for us to get... Oh my god. Oh my god. What a idiot, dude.
Don't know what their plan was.
Was attacking their mother. Law enforcement quickly responded to the residence, where they encountered the frantic caller. She explained that...
Driver saying, I can turn left from anywhere I want. Some people test their luck. I changed my mind at the last minute. Do red lights mean go in Florida? Or are there just no rules?
12 seconds later.
River. Started with them at the Comedy Channel. I was a writer for a woman named Rachel Sweet. This was my first job writing in television. She was a pop star, almost like a Debbie Gibson type.
I almost got an heart attack.
That's just like the natural state of that. That means Mandy lives there, and that makes it feel like home to me. Even in hotels or whatever, you're like, are there things you guys do? Or
What are you doing?
that make it feel like home to you? I can go if you need to think for a minute.
I don't know how you don't like these sauces. They're just so good. It's hitting the spot.
Holy Jesus Christ.
How does this idiot have a license? She gets flustered and has no idea where she's going.
Eventually.
At least they use the crosswalk. Truck driver is too impatient for this city traffic.
Idiot.
He didn't actually want to stop at the light, despite slowing down for it.
We'll make him buy his own groceries. He's a grown man. Whoa. I'm saving that footage. This dude just straight up ran a...
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.